Hey, everyone, welcome back to Info Blizz. Today, we have an exciting topic that often gets overlooked: yoga for men's health. Now, I know some of you might think yoga is just for flexibility or relaxation, but trust me, it goes way beyond that. We'll dive into the incredible benefits of yoga specifically tailored for men's health. Get ready to unlock the power within yourself. Imagine having the strength, flexibility, and focus to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Picture yourself thriving in both your professional and personal life, all while maintaining inner peace. That's the potential of yoga for men's health. Number 1. Breaking the myths. Before we dive in, let's debunk some common myths about yoga for men. Myth number 1, yoga is only for women. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. Yoga knows no gender. It's for everyone willing to embark on this transformative journey. And trust me, it's going to make you a better man. I used to believe that yoga was something only women did. As a fitness enthusiast and an athlete, I thought yoga was just stretching and sitting around, which didn't seem very appealing. But one day, I stumbled upon a yoga class and decided to give it a try. And boy, was I in for a surprise. Yoga challenged me physically and mentally in ways I'd never experienced before. It made me stronger, more flexible, and improved my focus. It wasn't just a workout, it was a holistic practice that transformed my life. So, gentlemen, let go of any preconceived notions you might have about yoga and open yourself up to the incredible possibilities it holds. It's time to break free from those myths and unlock the power within you. Number 2. Building strength and muscle. You want to be strong and muscular. And guess what? Yoga can help you achieve just that. Now, you might be wondering, can yoga really give me the muscle gains I'm looking for? The answer is a resounding yes. Yoga uses body weight resistance to strengthen muscles, and when done consistently, it can lead to impressive muscle definition. Take the forearm plank, for example. It targets your core, shoulders, and arms, helping you build a solid foundation of strength. And the best part is, yoga promotes balanced muscle development, reducing the risk of injuries compared to some traditional weightlifting routines. Number 3. Enhancing flexibility. Picture this. You wake up in the morning feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Your body moves freely, and you can effortlessly touch your toes without straining. Flexibility isn't just a luxury, it's an essential component of overall health. As men, we often neglect stretching, focusing solely on intense workouts. But here's the thing. A flexible body enhances athletic performance, reduces the risk of injuries, and even improves posture. Trust me, your body will thank you. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Start where you are, and with consistent practice, you'll be amazed at how your flexibility improves over time. Number 4. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Gentlemen, life can be hectic. Work pressures, family responsibilities, and societal expectations can take a toll on our mental well-being. That's where yoga's superpower comes in: mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful tool that allows us to calm the chaos within and connect with our true selves. It might sound too woo-woo for some, but trust me, even a few minutes of daily meditation can work wonders for your mental health. Imagine sitting by a serene lake, the water gently rippling, and the birds singing their melodious tunes. That sense of tranquility is what meditation brings into our lives, even amidst the hustle and bustle of the modern world. Let's try a simple meditation together. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale, letting go of any tension or stress with each breath. The beauty of meditation is that it's a practice. Some days might feel more challenging than others, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to be patient with yourself and embrace the present moment, whatever it brings. Number 5. Boosting confidence and self-esteem. As men, we often face societal pressures to be stoic and strong at all times. But guess what? It's okay to be vulnerable, and that's where yoga comes in. It empowers us to embrace our authentic selves. Picture this. You're standing tall, shoulders back, and chest open, radiating a confident presence wherever you go. That's the power of yoga's confidence-boosting poses. The tree pose is a classic yoga posture that requires balance and focus. As we root ourselves to the ground, we grow tall and reach for the sky. It's a physical representation of how we can find stability within ourselves amidst life's ups and downs. Gentlemen, yoga is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about letting go of self-doubt and stepping into our greatness. With each practice, we peel back the layers that society has placed upon us, revealing the confident, capable, and remarkable men we truly are. Number 6. Aiding digestion and gut health. Alright, let's talk about something that we don't often discuss openly: digestion and gut health. It's not the most glamorous topic, but it's incredibly vital for overall well-being. As we gently twist our bodies, we massage the internal organs, promoting healthy digestion and relieving any discomfort. Yoga aids digestion by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. When we're stressed, our digestion can suffer, leading to issues like bloating and indigestion. Yoga helps us find balance and activate the relaxation response, allowing our bodies to digest food more effectively. Number 7. Balancing hormones. Alright, gentlemen, let's dive into a topic that affects us all. Hormones are the messengers that regulate various functions in our bodies, from mood and sleep to metabolism and fertility. The endocrine system is responsible for producing and regulating hormones, and when it's out of balance, it can wreak havoc on our well-being. But fear not, yoga is here to help. Inversions, where the head is below the heart, are particularly powerful for hormonal balance. These poses stimulate the thyroid and parathyroid glands, which play a crucial role in metabolism and calcium regulation. Furthermore, yoga's ability to reduce stress is a game-changer for hormone balance. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, the fight-or-flight hormone. Chronic stress can disrupt our hormonal equilibrium, leading to a host of health issues. Yoga provides us with the tools to find peace amidst chaos, bringing our hormones back into harmony. Number 8. Empowering relationships. Alright, gentlemen, let's talk about something that truly enriches our lives: relationships. Whether it's with our partners, friends, or colleagues, connections with others play a significant role in our happiness and well-being. Yoga isn't just about self-improvement, it also empowers us to build more meaningful and compassionate relationships with others. As we cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness, we become better listeners, more understanding partners, and supportive friends. Heart-opening poses like this one not only stretch the chest and shoulders but also open our hearts to love and compassion. It's about being vulnerable and connecting with others on a deeper level. Congratulations, my fellow men. You've completed this incredible journey of yoga for men's health. Remember, practicing yoga regularly isn't just physical exercise. It's a lifestyle that brings balance, strength, and vitality to every aspect of your life. Embrace this practice, and you'll unlock the power within yourself. I can't wait to hear how yoga transforms your life, both on and off the mat. If you enjoyed this video and want more transformative content like this, make sure to subscribe to Info Blizz. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments how yoga has positively impacted your life. Until next time, stay strong, stay mindful, and stay empowered.